Hey everyone, it's Irene, the cosplay counselor, your virtual superhero advisor. Now today we're going to be talking about email etiquette for formal or professional emails. Whether you're writing to your school counselor or a college rep for a university that you're interested in, or maybe you're applying for a job or an internship, you want to make a good first impression. And I will say, on several occasions, I've had some very cringe-worthy emails sent to me by students. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you 3 tips so that you can make a great first impression. Now, if you're curious to see what those are, then keep watching. Number 1, provide context. So when you are introducing yourself in your email, don't just focus on your first and last name. If you're writing an email to a school counselor, be sure to put your student ID, what grade you're in, to help them learn more about you. If you're writing an email to an employer or a future internship opportunity, give them some context of how you guys are connected. Was there a recruiter who came to campus and you learned about the organization that way? Was there another friend who referred you to this program? Provide as much information to that organization or that individual so that they can kind of get a better sense of who you are. Number 2, don't take shortcuts. So in a day and age when we're texting or using social media, we've established this very casual conversation when communicating with our family and friends. Now, when you're writing a professional or formal email, you'll want to adhere to the traditional grammar and rules. So capitalize the beginning of the sentence, have the correct punctuation. You'll want to write everything out. Don't use slang or abbreviated words like LOL, ROFL. Typically when you're writing a formal email, you'll probably choose some more sophisticated words. Just make sure that you'll have this email written in the same manner that you would write for an English teacher or for a term paper. Number 3, be courteous. Typically, at the end of your email, the common practice is to usually wrap up the request with some type of nice ending. So you can say something like, "Thank you for your time. I appreciate your help. If there's more information, please let me know." You'll just want to be as kind and polite as possible because remember, they're trying to help you with whatever request that you have. So ending it with a nice bow always is a cherry on top. So those are my top 3 email etiquette tips. Did I miss something really important? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I would love it if you would share it. For more information, please check out my website, cosplaycounselor.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!